Kicking off this outdoor gear countdown, get ready to discover chairs that turn campground chill into lounge-worthy comfort. Today, I'm going to be going over the best portable camping chair that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the ONETIGRIS Tigerblade. This ultralight, compact folding chair is built for speed and simplicity when you are stacking miles of trail and a bag full of gear. The Tigerblade uses a high-strength aluminum alloy frame that folds to a tight rectangle and stows in a slim carry pouch. Seat fabric is a tough 600D nylon that's resistant to abrasion and quick drying, with reinforced stitching in high-stress zones. It sits low to the ground, which keeps center of gravity stable on uneven ground and gives you an unobtrusive footprint on rocky campsites. Despite the slim profile, the seat supports a broad range of body sizes thanks to a wide seat opening and a slightly wider backrest, along with a flexible mesh insert that improves airflow on hot days. Chair's joints are designed to snap together with a modern twist-lock mechanism, so setup takes mere seconds after you lift it from your pack. In terms of weight, you can expect something around a couple of pounds, which translates into all-day comfort when carried on extended treks, but doesn't weigh you down at the camp. Tigerblade also features a minimal nylon carry sack with a quick-release strap, so you can toss it into a hiking backpack without fuss. When you're choosing a seat for a long morning of fishing by the river or a rapid-fire campsite setup before sunset, this chair gives you a combination of portability and enough lateral support to keep your posture comfortable through hours of sitting. The trade-off with ultralight chairs is sometimes stiffness and a higher learning curve for balancing on uneven ground. But the Tigerblade has a floor-friendly tip design and slightly wider feet shaped to reduce wobble on soft soil. Campers who want something incredibly light that can still handle a relaxed afternoon around the fire, this chair is a practical companion. Compared to the Moon Lence Gen 4, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Tigerblade prioritizes a lower profile and lighter weight at the expense of a few inches of legroom. At number 4, we have the Moon Lence Gen 4. This folding chair brings a very balanced blend of comfort and value to the campsite, with a sprung seat system and breathable mesh back that keeps you cool during warm evenings. The frame leans on a sturdy steel or alloy alloy blend that snaps into place using a simple 3- or 4-step folding action, so setup is almost instant after you pull it from the bag. The seat is built from a premium 600D Oxford fabric that resists fading, tearing, and moisture, and the edges are double-stitched for durability under daily use. Weight is modest, typically under 3 pounds, which makes it easy to carry on short hikes or to a festival site where every ounce counts. The Moon Lence Gen 4 often includes a built-in cup holder and a small pocket for keys or a phone, adding practical value beyond raw comfort. Its footprint on the ground is designed to be stable, with non-slip feet that perform well on sand, grass, or packed earth, and the overall dimensions accommodate a range of body sizes without feeling cramped. The chair also packs down compactly, sliding into a small sleeve or pouch that fits neatly inside most day packs. Longer sessions feel more comfortable thanks to the chair's breathable back and slightly contoured seat that reduce pressure on the hip joints and improve circulation in the legs over several hours. Campers who want a reliable, budget-friendly option that does not require assembly precision every time, this chair hits a sweet spot. Compared to the MARCHWAY Folding Camping Chair, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Moon Lence Gen 4 emphasizes airflow and a lower weight class while offering similar ease of setup. At number 3, we have the MARCHWAY Folding Camping Chair. This chair leans into a confident balance between ruggedness and portability, with a straightforward steel or aluminum frame that locks solidly into place and supports prolonged sitting around campfires or meals near the trailhead. Fabric uses a heavy-duty 600D polyester or nylon blend that resists fading and tearing even after repeated deployments, and a reinforced crossbar system minimizes wobble on uneven ground. Seat height is comfortable for most users, with a deeper seat depth that accommodates taller legs without feeling cramped, and the backrest provides a level of lumbar support that helps you stay comfortable through longer conversations or reading sessions by the glow of the grill. Hold-down mechanics are simple. You release the legs, push the seat down, and listen for a quiet snap that confirms the frame is locked in place. One notable advantage is the chair's stability on soft soil or turf thanks to its wider leg stance and slightly longer legs, which distribute weight more evenly. It often includes a cup holder built into one armrest, plus a small pocket for compact items like a phone or a lighter. When you need a chair that can handle occasional rough handling without flinching, the MARCHWAY folds away to a compact footprint and offers a generous seat that supports a broad user base. Compared to the Mojest Portable Camping Chair, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the MARCHWAY prioritizes steadier support and a roomier seat while keeping the pack size modest. At number 2, we have the Mojest Portable Camping Chair. This chair brings a compelling value proposition with a taller back, padded armrests, and a seat that balances comfort and portability for casual campers and hikers alike. Frame is typically a light but durable alloy or steel, with a locking mechanism that makes setup as quick as unfolding a traditional lawn chair, but with the tighter fold that backpackers demand. Fabric is a tough, weather-resistant polyester with reinforced, seems to extend its life in rain or sun. And a built-in cup holder along one armrest keeps a drink within easy reach during a long stretch around the fire. Some models offer a small side pocket for a phone or keys, while others emphasize a minimalistic, low-profile design that still accommodates larger thigh girth. The Mojest chair is often praised for its easy storage and quick-drying fabric, which helps you pack up after a sudden downpour or a spill without lingering odors. Weight capacity typically lands in the 250 to 320 pounds range, depending on the exact model, which makes it versatile for a wide range of campers. Travelers who want a comfortable chair on a budget, the Mojest is a strong candidate that does not force you into more expensive options. Compared to the Coleman Portable Camping Chair, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the Mojest tends to be lighter and less bulky while still offering a comfortable seat and practical features. At number 1, we have the Coleman Portable Camping Chair. This is the benchmark option for many campers because of its proven track record and broad compatibility with a wide range of camp gear. The Coleman chair uses a sturdy steel frame, a durable polyester seat, and a proven folding mechanism that supports repeated use season after season. Fabric is usually a rugged 600D polyester that holds up against sun and rain, while the frame features a reliable cross-brace design that resists sway on uneven ground. Comfort is enhanced by a well-cushioned seat and back, plus realistic armrests that allow you to lean back and still keep your balance. The chair often includes a built-in cup holder and a small side pocket, and some models offer a simple cooler-style panel in the armrest for occasional snacks or drinks, though that varies by version. Weight is higher than ultralight chairs, typically around 7–9 pounds, but the trade-off is exceptional stability and the ability to sit for hours without feeling the chair flex under your weight. Key advantage is the Coleman's broad availability, spare parts, and easy replacement parts if something wears out on the road. For campers who value a time-tested option that balances comfort, durability, and price, the Coleman Portable Camping Chair remains hard to beat. Compared to the ONETIGRIS Tigerblade, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Coleman offers greater stability and more padding at the cost of added weight and bulk.